Hello, this is knotman, and he's got his friend with him today. Look, Mr. Seagull. I can nearly speak fluent seagull. Well, I nearly do, but anyway, he knows that I'm like his mum. Look at that. Come on then, it's Daddy. Look at that, it's alright. Daddy. Yeah, he's quite friendly, this one. He's only a fledgling because he's still slightly grey, if you see, yeah. And as they get older, they get more whiter. They got quite a peck on them, the old beak, yeah. Woo! Anyway, enough of that now. So we'll see you later, Mr. Seagull. Go back to the beach.